Hi friend, I am Harish Kamble. In this video, I am going to explain about sex determination of Melandrium album, sex determination system of Melandrium album, structure of X and Y chromosome of Melandrium album. Melandrium album is a plant, and this plant is a dioecious plant. See these photos. In these photos, the plant Melandrium album produce flowers. These flowers are three types: male flower, female flower, and hermaphrodite or bisexual flowers. Parts of flower. This is a typical flower. In this typical flower, there are four main parts, in which two are very essential. That is, female part is called as pistil, and male part is called as stamen. Stamen is divided into two parts, anther and filament. Anther produces pollen grains and filament is a stalk. While pistil is divided into three parts: stigma, this one, style, this long tube, and ovary. In the ovary there are ovules present. Ovules means the egg bearing organs, ovule. So this flower is called as bisexual flower because in this flower there are male and female organs present. So this flower is bisexual, and generally plants are more than 90% of plants are produce bisexual flowers. In the same flower there are male and female organs present. See male, female and bisexual flowers. In this first diagram there are both male and female flowers, male and female parts in a single flower. So this is a single flower, and if in the flower there are male and female both parts present, the flower is called as hermaphrodite or bisexual flower. If in the flower there is only gynoecium or pistil, female organ present, that flower is called as female flower, and in the male flower only male sex organs present, stamens. So this is called as male flower. So bisexual flower, female flower and male flower. Here hermaphrodite plants will all flowers hermaphrodites. So all flowers produce male and female sex organs called as hermaphrodite or bisexual flowers. Here monoecious plants, functional hermaphrodites. Monoecious plants means on a single plant produce male and female. This is a female flower and this is a male flowers. All are male and female. Both produce called as monoecious plant. And the dioecious plants. In the dioecious plants there are either male or either female or male flowers produce. Here all are male flowers developed. So it is dioecious because on the different plant or on different branches. So it is called as dioecious. In the Melandrium album or Silence latifolia, this is the dioecious plants. Dioecious plant, male and female flowers are different on different branches. So it is called as dioecious plants. Chromosome number in these plants are 24 and 2n is equal to 24. This is a diploid number 24 and haploid is 12. XX, XY chromosomal sex determination, it is different from normal XX, XY system. In the Melandrium album, male and female flowers produce differently, so there are X and Y chromosomes which play very important role in the production of male, female flowers or hermaphrodite flowers. But this system, XXXY system or sex determination system, is a different from a normal system in Melandrium album. Sex determination of Melandrium album. In the Melandrium album, Y chromosome is very important. The plant may be diploid, triploid, tetraploid or polyploidy. In the diploid there are either XX or XY chromosomes. In the triploid there are XXY chromosomes, in tetraploid XXXY, and in the polyploid XXXXY. So in the diploid there is a formation of XX chromosome presence, female produce, XY chromosome presence with a male produce. In the triploid there are XXY. If this condition is there, that time male produce XXXY. In the tetraploid condition, male produce, while if there are 4X chromosome and one single Y chromosome, that time bisexual flower produce. So what this is happen? So if there are diploid, triploid and tetraploid, there are male produce, while in the polyploid there are bisexual produce. See here what happened. Structure of X and Y chromosome. The Y chromosome is larger in the melandrium album and X chromosome is short as compared to Y. So Y chromosome is very crucial. This X and Y both chromosome is divided into 5 segments. There are 5 segments, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first segment is very important for male flower production. This segment 1, which is from here to here, this segment is for suppression of fifth segment. This male Y chromosomes, this first segment is suppress femaleness, means segment 4. Segment 2 and segment 3, these two segments are responsible for pollen development, anther production 2 and 3. And segment 4, this segment is making pair with X chromosome. For pairing, the segment 4 is common, so that they make a pair. And segment 5 is for femaleness. Segment 5 is for femaleness. And so if the Y chromosome is there, this chromosome suppress this segment. So if the X and Y chromosome is there, that time the flower is male flower, because this segment 1 suppress this segment. So in the XY condition, only male will produce, male flower will produce. So this happen up to 4X. If the 4X chromosome and single Y chromosome present, so this segment 1 suppress up to 3X chromosomes, segment 4, but this up to 3 and not 4, so that this fourth one produce female flower and this one male. So in this condition, polyploid, only bisexual flowers are developed. Otherwise, diploid, triploid, tetraploid condition, only male flowers are produced. So male flower produced because of Y chromosome. Y chromosome is divided into 4 segments, 1, 2, 3, 4, and female X chromosome divided into 2 segments, segment 4 and segment 5. Segment 4 is common, segment 5 is for femaleness, and segment 1, 2, 3, 4 maleness, in which segment 1 is responsible for suppression of this segment 5. Segments of chromosomes. Y chromosome segment and its function. Segment 1. Y chromosome divided into 4 segments, and the first segment suppress femaleness. Second segment is for initiation anther development. Third segment is control the latter stage of anther development, means pollen grain development. So segment 2 and 3 are essential for formation of functional fertile anther for proper fertile anther or pollen grains formation 2 and 3 are very important. Segment 4 is homologous with region 4th on X chromosome. So segment 4 is common in X chromosome also and Y chromosome also, and it is used for pairing with X chromosome during meiotic prophase. X chromosome segments and its function. Segment 4 homologous with region 4 on Y chromosome. So segment 4 is common in X and Y chromosome. Segment 5, this segment X chromosome specific region, it promotes femaleness. So for femaleness, X chromosome is for femaleness. In the absence of segment 1 on Y chromosomes. If there is no Y chromosome, the female flower develop. So X chromosome develop this fifth segment is responsible for femaleness. What happens if the first segment of Y chromosome due to the mutation or deletion? What happens? Bisexual flower develop. How it is developed? See here. Suppose this segment 1 is become faulty or delete or mutated. Then what happens? Segment 2, 3 and 4 properly function. Segment 4 and 5 properly function. So segment 2 and 3, these two segments produce anther, and this segment 5th produce female flower. And it produce male flowers. So both flowers produce, so there are bisexual flowers produced. Both the organs produce in a single flower, so that there are bisexual. So the function of this segment 1 is to suppress the femaleness, so only male flower develop. But if the segment 1 is deleted or mutated, that time the flower produce bisexual. Flower development. In Melendrum album, 4 florals of floral organs are observed, just like androecium, gynoecium, petals, sepals, in both male and female floral meristem, as it is the case of any hermaphrodite species. They are sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. At the early stage of flower development, at the beginning, the floral meristem is completely undifferentiated and similar in male and female plants. When the floral development proceeds, there will be considerable difference in the relative proportions of different floral parts in both male and female plants. In male flower, due to XY, a sterile filament is developed in the place of the carpel. Similarly, in female flower XX, the development of anther are first initiated but rapidly degenerate. Means, suppose there are XX condition, male parts means anther first developed, but after that they degenerate. And in this condition, XY condition, female filaments is developed, but it becomes sterile, not fertile. So female becomes sterile due to Y chromosome, and here the anther first developed, but after that it degenerate because lacking of Y chromosome. So that's way in the Melendrum album the sex is determined. Thank you.